This is an unplugged argon arc welding machine. Let's do it in practice today. First, we have to catch air. We turn on the main power switch. Then open the solder start button again. Next, we select the argon arc welding function. Argon arc welding gun. Ground wire. LED lighting. When you turn it on, this light will come on. Press and hold for 2 seconds to turn it off. Here is the USB charging port. Can be used to charge mobile devices. The fan will not turn when it first starts. When you are in the soldering process, when the machine needs to dissipate heat, the fan will only start. Function selection hit to manual welding. Connect the ground wire to the negative electrode. The handle wire is connected to the positive electrode. Okay, now I burn the electrode.